In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create rating in Airtable, Score Setup 2026. By the end, you'll have a clean, clickable rating column you can use to score tasks, products, leads, or anything else you track in a base. Start by opening your browser and heading to airtable.com. If you're not already signed in, log into your Airtable account using your usual method. It's quick, and once you're in, Airtable takes you straight to your dashboard. On the dashboard, you'll see your recent bases front and center. This area is designed to help you jump back into the projects you've been working on without hunting around. If you already have a base where you want to add ratings, click it to open. If you're starting fresh, create a new base. Airtable will set it up with a default table so you can get going right away. When your base opens, you'll land in grid view, which looks and feels like a spreadsheet. Think of each column as a field with a specific type, and each row as a record. We're going to add a new field specifically for ratings. Move to the far right edge of your table and click the plus button to add a field. This opens the field configuration panel. In the field type selector, use the search bar or scroll until you find rating. It's typically represented by a star icon, and it gives you an interactive set of icons you can click to assign a score to each record. Give your field a clear name so your team understands what it measures. Something like rating, quality score, or priority score. Then adjust the settings for the rating field. You can choose the maximum rating value, such as 5 or 10 icons, depending on how granular you want your scale to be. Pick the icon style that fits your use case. Stars are classic and easy to read, and select a color that stands out on your table without overwhelming it. If you want to allow records to remain unrated until you assess them, make sure empty values are allowed. This keeps your data honest by not forcing a default score. When everything looks right, click Create Field. You'll now see your new rating column in the grid. Click any cell in that column to assign a rating. You can change it anytime by clicking again. That's all there is to it. You've added a rating field to your Airtable base, set the scale, and named it clearly so everyone knows how to use it. Keep your scale consistent across tables, and you'll have a reliable, visual way to compare records at a glance. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your streamlined scoring workflow.